Hello students. So we are studying the chapter congruent shapes. So in this chapter, you know what is congruent. Congruent means the figures which have same size and same shape are called congruent figures. So here are some examples I have given. Is a congruent shape. These two are congruent, same size and same shape. Here we have the second one. Here we have the next. These all are congruent. But is this a congruent? No, this is not congruent. Why? They are of same shape, but they are not same size, right? This is one big one and this is small one. So they are not same size. So they are not congruent. Okay. So this is generally about congruent shapes. Now coming to a chapter, it is congruence of triangles. So we have to check whether two triangles are congruent. So always it is not possible to cut one triangle and keep over the other and check. So that we have some criteria for checking the congruence. The first criteria is SSS criteria. SSS means stands for side, side, side. So you know three sides are there for one triangle, right? So these three sides, we are going to talk about these three sides. So if all the three sides of one triangle, are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then we can say that those two triangles are congruent. Understood? If the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of the another triangle, then we can say that those two triangles are congruent. I will explain it through one example. I am going to draw two triangles. Okay. So here I have one triangle. One more triangle I am drawing here. Okay. Now this triangle, this side is 5 centimeter. I am taking this as 5 centimeter. Okay. centimeter. Same way. Here also, this is also 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Okay. So two triangles I am going to draw, and I have drawn the first side. First triangle also 5 centimeter, second triangle also 5 centimeter. Now we have to name these triangle. I am writing, giving the name here as AB. Okay, so this is BA, and here I am naming it as B. Okay, so here we have B. So this is the side AB. This triangle I am starting with the side PQ, P, and here I have the side Q, so PQ. So AB and PQ, two sides I have drawn. Now I am going to draw the second side of these two triangles. Okay, so second side. So from right, one side, second side. So two sides are there. And that I am taking the measurement as 6 centimeters. So I will use 6 centimeter, and then I will draw the side. So this is 6 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter. Okay. Same way, this side also 6 centimeter. Okay. Now third side I am going to draw. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay, third side. So third side I am taking it as 7 centimeter. Okay, so let it be 7 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter. Same way, this is also 7 centimeter. So we have the two triangles, and you can see three sides of this triangle are equal to the three sides of this triangle. Correct only? No? Okay. So then we can say that these two triangles are congruent. If you are cutting, just cut this triangle and keep it over this triangle, it will exactly overlap. That means they have same size and same shape. So no need of cutting, pasting and all. We just see the three sides. The three sides of first triangle are equal to the three sides of the second triangle. Those two triangles are congruent. We will name it as C. Okay. This is C and this is R. So which are the two triangles we are talking about? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now, when I told you congruent means if you are keeping one triangle over the other, it should overlap. So when we are keeping this triangle over this triangle, which two sides will overlap? AB and PQ will overlap, right? So AB and PQ will overlap, right? Same way, which other sides will overlap? AC and PR. AC and PR. So we have AC and PR. These two will overlap. Then which two sides will overlap? CB and RQ. Right. CB and RQ. So we'll write here CB and RQ. This is RQ. So this is how the sides will overlap. AB will overlap over PQ, AC will overlap over PR, and BC will overlap over RQ. This is how the sides will overlap. So that means CB is equal to AB and PQ are the corresponding sides. Okay. AB and PQ are the corresponding sides. AC and PR are the corresponding sides. CB and RQ are the corresponding sides. They are overlapping over one another, no? Instead of telling overlapping, equal and all, in congruence you can say it as corresponds to. AB corresponds to PQ. That's how we have to say. Okay. AB corresponds to PQ. AC corresponds to PR. CB corresponds to RQ. And how we have to write as? Just put one line and put one arrow mark like this. Like this it should be. Okay. This is how it should be. So this is what is correspondence. That means those two are equal. Now this is the case of sides. Now if you are talking about vertices, which two vertices will overlap? You know, A and P will overlap, B and Q will overlap, C and R will overlap. Okay. So how will you write it? I'll write it here. A and P. Okay. Then what's the next one? A and P. Then B and Q. B and Q. Then C and R. C and R. So this is how the overlap. Okay, so A will overlap over P, B will overlap over Q, and C will overlap over R. Okay, now here also you have to put that correspondence sign. So we'll put just one line. Here also one line. Then you have to put one arrow mark, okay? So it will be like this. So this is what is correspondence. So A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q, and C corresponds to R. Then we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. This is how you have to write. So when you are writing, that order is very important. So A and P in here, no? So A and P, it should be the first one. B and Q means it should have the same position, B and Q. Then C and R. So we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. This is congruent sign. Just put one equal to and like this. So this is congruent. That means those two triangles have same size and same shape. Same shape, you know, both are triangles. So same size. That also we understood. So this is what is SSS criteria. Okay. So now coming to the next one, you have to check one more thing. That is, if two sides, instead of three sides, only one side is equal. That means, if I am drawing a triangle, these two sides are equal. Other two sides can be anything else. Then will they be congruent? How will you check it? You just cut this thing and keep over this, then you will understand that it will not be congruent. So, it is must that three sides of one triangle should be equal to three sides of the another triangle. This is what is SSS criteria. Understood? Okay, thank you.